This is the VTech Chomp and Count Dino. Put food in his mouth and learn colors, foods, and counting. Oh, that's cool. So you take these pieces here. Comes with all those there. You put them in his mouth and he learns, or teaches you rather, all sorts of stuff. It spins. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pieces of food.
Circle. This is a circle. Circle.
Okay, cool. So we're learning shapes.
Square.
Got a volume button here. Spin numbers.
1. This is the 2. This is 3. This is the number 3.
Okay, so you put the food in there and it comes out here. That's cool. Looks like it's about 20 bucks.
5. This is the number 5.
We have peas, grapes, bananas, mushrooms,
1, 2, 3, 4
apples,
fruits,
carrots,
and
blueberries,
veggies are so
all
great.
sorts of stuff there.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Chomp and Count Dino from VTech.